So, hello, ang problem is determine the mutual GMD, geometric means distance of a three-phase single circuit transmission line whose conductor arranged in a triangular formation so that the two distance between conductors are 20 feet and the third is 38 feet respectively. So, at the formula ng Hamilton is dm is equals to cube root of DAB times DBC times DCA. So, given ang DAB, DBC, and DCA, which is local 20, yung nasa dito distance between conductors are 20, and the third is 38 feet. So, ato dahil siya substitute, ay mo siya 20, 38. So, na siya 20, 38, 1,000, 24.77 feet. Sama na sa answers.